step-by-step guide on how to use a blood glucose meter. Please note there are a range of blood glucose meters available, but they generally all work in the same way. Remove the blood glucose meter, pot of strips, lancing device and lancet from the pouch provided. Wash and dry your hands. Remove the tip of the lancing device. Insert the lancet. Remove the needle tip and replace the cover. Insert test strip into the meter. Prick your fingertip with the lancet to get a drop of blood. Hold the strip to the blood droplet and allow the meter to take the appropriate amount of blood required for testing. Wait a few seconds and the meter will display your blood glucose reading. Dispose of the lancet and strip appropriately.